Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on the gold market. So it seems that our suggestion recently was correct, and indeed the overall performance that we discussed on the 4-hour time frame chart and hourly chart, this was more in favor of upward action because downward performance was very slow and choppy and doesn't suggest a reversal. Usually reversal starts faster and stronger. So you could see even this type of action. So once reversal starts, it shows some acceleration on the lower time frames. It's just the specific of the different senses. So you can see that downside action mostly is triggered by the fear, which is stronger than the greed, and that's why usual downside actions takes shorter time and shows the faster action. So as a result, on the daily chart, we do not see some big changes. Market mostly is calling around the confluence. But at the same time, it also could be considered as some bullish signs, just because if we would suggest that market should turn down from the confluence, as I said, it should be a bit faster. And as market just standing around it and below this confluence for a longer time, we will take a look at the price performance on next week as well. But currently, the signs that as longer market stands around the confluence, it is more bullish. And it's more chances to see the attempt to break it up. So it's just a feature. So usually the market consolidating around the major resistance for a long time, it's building an energy for a breakout. And currently, this kind of performance I would call more as a bullish rather than bearish. On the 4-hour time frame chart, our wedge pattern has been broken up, as we discussed. So now market is moving higher, although it's not really fast. And next target, as we discussed, stands around 1886. This is the XOP. Maybe later market will form some pattern. Maybe it will be some kind of the butterfly or something that could let market to finalize the XOP. At the current moment, theoretically, we have the pattern that market could form. I mean the bearish pattern. And if you still would like to try to take the short position, this actually probably will be the last chance to do this. It's because if this pattern will be erased, it means that market definitely will keep going lower and keep going higher. So, but at this point, actually, we still could get the pattern to the downside. So market could show some pullback here. So if you'd like to take it, maybe this might be interesting to you. First of all, here we've got minor grabber. It's not very reliable, it's because market already stands above it, but still, this pattern has been formed. And the major shape that you could keep an eye on, this major pattern, is of course the hand and shoulders. So yesterday we said, if you would like to go short, wait at least when the market completes some kind of the ABCD action, trying to take the position as closer to the top as possible. So just minimize your risk. And currently, as you can see, what has happened since recently, indeed, market has formed a kind of the ABCD action. It is not purely ABCD because this lows actually stands below this one, and it's not really classic ABCD performance. But I'm just speaking about the shape. So you can see here is some kind of the two-leg upward action, forming in type of the regardless triple to sell or something. Overall price action is also not very fast. So that also brings some hopes that maybe we could get downward action here as well. Finally, which may be also interesting and important, that actually this is the last chance for gold to show deeper retracement. If this not happen right now and market keep going higher, then we will not get this ABCD pattern at all. So that's why if you still would like to take the position, would like to try to take this scalp short trade, that's the point. And actually, where market price stands right now, you have to make the decision. So using the stop orders, for instance, you could consider this area above this area, but maybe even you could trying to use some fib levels, as I said yesterday. Because market currently stands at the 618 level, and you probably could just trying to place stop above this area. So this is another way how you could try to minimize your risk. So that's actually all that we have currently. on the gold market, this is minor bearish setup that you could try to follow. If not, just probably we need to wait for more clarity, in particular whether the market will keep going higher to the XLP or not. But it's also stands in relation to this performance. What will happen with this pattern on the hourly chart, and whether the market will show deep retracement or not. And then we will see what will happen next.